Some of my favorite family memories have happened right here around the fire pits. Whether we're roasting marshmallows with the kids, catching up with friends after dinner, or just sitting outside in the evening talking for hours. It's a place where everyone naturally gathers. Having comfortable chairs out here makes a huge difference. This Adirondack chair is one of my favorite spots to sit. And the company sent it to me to test out, and it is super roomy. Some Adirondack chairs can feel a little tight, but this one has a wider seat and it's really comfortable to lean back in. The backrest has the perfect angle where you can just relax, and these armrests are my favorite because they are wide and completely flat, so I can set my drink, my phone, even a plate if we're eating dinner outside. I don't have to balance everything on my lap. It is super convenient and I am all about that. We spend so many evenings out here, whether it's making s'mores with the kids or having friends over. This has definitely been the chair that everyone wants to claim first. If you look a little closer, I love how solid this chair is. It has a nice weight to it, so it's not going to blow around or move every time you sit down. The finish looks really clean and the material is made for being outdoors, so I don't have to worry about constantly moving it around if it rains or if the sun's out. And it wipes down really easy too, which is really important because outdoor furniture just gets dust and dirt on it. So these are really easy to clean. And also the assembly was really easy and straightforward. It was mostly all put together, so it didn't take long to tighten a few screws.